Road and Liesenfeld would like to introduce you to our ComboLift slip sheet machine for safe, fast, and efficient loading or unloading of containers. The slip sheet machine uses a hydraulic push-pull system to slide a beveled-edge steel plate sheet under the skidded contents of a 20-foot or 40-foot container for efficient and safe unloading. The skidded contents of the container can then be handled by forklift, top lift, or crane to efficiently place it on the ground or transload to another trailer. Maximum operating capacity of 29.5 metric tons or 65,000 pounds means the slip sheet machine can handle even the heaviest loads. Through our global alignment with Hansa Meyer and their agents Marshall Logistics, we handled over 20,000 tons of containerized cargoes through the Port of Houston in just the last 6 months. Using our slip sheet machine at Santini's warehouse in Houston, Texas, we achieved a new milestone by unloading a record-breaking total of 46 40-foot containers in one day shift. The slip sheet machine is a fully portable machine that can be moved to any location or job site in North America or worldwide. Power for the ComboLift can be provided either through a permanent 480-volt hookup or using a 400-volt portable generator. Contact us today to discuss how we can tailor a Road and Liesenfeld solution for your container loading or unloading requirements.